Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. If you're interested in finding the perfect camera for your needs, make sure to watch till the end. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. When it comes to price, the Canon EOS M200 is available at $549, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $798. Although the Canon comes in at a lower price point, the Sony offers some additional features that justify its higher price tag. Both cameras excel in autofocus capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor and fast Bions X processor for precise and reliable autofocus performance. For capturing stunning images, the Canon EOS M200 comes equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, delivering high image quality. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large APS-C sensor and provides exceptional image quality thanks to its 24.2 MP resolution. If you're looking to shoot videos, both cameras have impressive capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 offers 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie options, along with vertical video shooting. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 oversamples 6K footage to deliver stunning 4K movies with no pixel binning. It also includes a product showcase setting that smoothly transitions focus from face to object. When it comes to convenience, the Canon EOS M200 features a 3.0-inch touch panel LCD screen with a 180 degrees tilt option, making it ideal for selfies. It also offers built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology for easy image transfer. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 supports easy live streaming with a single USB cable, eliminating the need for additional hardware or software. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Let us know in the comments which camera you found more appealing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.